Welcome once again. Welcome to Learn with Tide. If you have not been following us, kindly subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your likes, your comments, and your subscription. Today I'll be taking you through on how to set up Credential with Google Cloud. Setting up your credential is very important in automation. It's very important. It cannot be avoided. If you want to connect your anything with, let's say like Telegram, WhatsApp, or any of the Google tools, is a must for you to set up Credential. Getting the credential and setting up API for WhatsApp and others might be quite easy, but when it comes to Google Cloud, people find it a bit challenging. So I'll be taking you through it today. So let's get right into it. Let's create automation. Let me try and add my Gmail. Let's go to create a draft. Yeah, from your screen you can see we have credential to connect with. When you click on this page, create new credential. That's if you don't have your credential set up already. Just click on create new credential. Then here you see you have client ID and client secret. To get this client ID and client secret, go into your Google Cloud. That's console.cloud.google. Here, when you get here, you can see this page. Click on it. You can see here. That's towards your right top. You see new project. Click on new project. When you get here, now what you have to do is to name your project. Let's say Gmail. Let's see if that should work. Then you click on create. Yeah, after clicking on create, make sure you are in your Google here. Make sure you are in this app, Gmail. Click on it. Make sure you are working on from here. Make sure you are working on your Gmail. Then you click on get started. Yeah, right now they're asking for app information. Well, the app, let's give it a name again. AP, your mail. So I'm adding my mail. It's already added to the Google Cloud Console. Click on next. In this case, and this is what I can select because I'm using a self-hosted service. Then you click on next again. You can type in your mail here. Then you click the next button. You agree, continue, try and create. Okay, now I think we need to change the app name. You need to change the app mail. Let's say my Gmail. I think this should work. Type in your mail. Then you click on next. I agree, continue, create. Yeah, after when you are done with this step, click here again. Can you see API and service? Click on library. Sorry. You are meant to click on credential. Come here, click on credential. Now click on branding. Here you can see all your app information. What you are meant to do here is you are meant to add your domain here. So if you are using anything, you can just put n8n.cloud. That was your input here. Then you hit the save button. The next thing to do is click here, come here again, API and services. Click on Auth consent screen. Then you click on create. Now you are meant to select the app type. Make sure you are selecting the web app. Then you can give it a name you like. Like this web client one. You can give it any name, but I'm going to leave it this way. The next thing for you to do is to scroll down. Now you can see authorized redirect URL here. So we are going to get an authorized redirect URL from your n8n. So when you come here, you can see here authorized redirect URL. click on this, click to copy. You copy it. When you copy, you come here, you click on add URL. You can see. Then you paste it. Then you click on create. Now, this is what we need. So what we need now is client ID and client secrets. So here, you copy your client ID, you paste it here, client ID. Then you come here, you copy the client secrets. You paste this client secret. Let's save it. Now, watch. This is a very important part. Here, you might encounter an error. Let's click on it here. This is going to be an error. Yeah, access block. This is happening because our app is in test mode, so we need to make some changes. Click on OK here. Let's click on audience. Can you see test user? We have to add a test user. So that's the mail we are using to test this app. You click on it. Let me add my mail. Let's save it. Yeah, we have it here. So let's give it a try again. Can you see? Now it's working. But it's telling us Google haven't verified this app. So just hit continue here. Hit select or then you click on continue. Yeah, voila. So this is done. Or you need to take note of that error. Make sure you add your app, your email, your Gmail. That's the Gmail you are using to test the app to the test feed. That's under audience. You add it here so that when testing, the Gmail can recognize and give access. So when you are done with your testing and co, and you want to publish the app, so this is where you publish it. You can see publish here. Once you click on it, your app will publish and anybody can access it. So thank you very much. Once again, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment. If you have any challenges doing this, you can reach out to us through the comment section or you send me an email. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye.